proud of you and the entire team at KnK Karts. The journey that you have taken so far. It is an incredible inspirational story by itself. You dreamt about making racing cars from a small town where there is very little infrastructure. You dared to dream about manufacturing racing cars out of Belagavi. That speaks volumes about your attitude and your daring vision. That is incredible. Mr. Ishan Singh's unwavering resolve and determination to pursue his dreams proved me completely wrong. His passion, perseverance, and determination have made KnK Karts a global leader in racing car manufacturing. Mr. Ishan Singh is a true representative of Belagavi's exceptional engineering talent and he is a great inspiration. He has proved that no dream is too big when pursued with conviction. I want to pay homage to his father, Sri Indrajit Singh, who is a guiding force and mentor, and he instilled belief that any dream can be achieved in Mr. Ishan Singh and in many other youngsters. Together, they have built a legacy that will continue to inspire for generations. Kudos, dear Ishan Singh and the entire team in KnK Karts.